Hey folks, what is with all the plastic here? What is all this? This is a process called solarization, and you simply take clear or black plastic, cover your vegetable garden up. Usually the summertime is a good time because it gets even hotter. You seal the edges. The heat builds up over the summer, kills off the weed seeds that's in the ground, and also the insects. So when we pull this off, we're going to have a perfectly sterile environment to plant our vegetable garden. We're getting ready to do some beans in this field. The solarization is going to get the temperatures up to 160 degrees, maybe even higher. You can do this any time of the year, the winter, the summer, although the summertime is probably better because it just simply gets hotter with the heat of our summertime. But anytime that you got your garden laying fallow with nothing growing in it, you should cover it with some plastic and kind of kill down those weed seeds and the insects. It's a great organic way of sterilizing your soil and starting out clean with every crop. So what we're going to do, folks, is we're going to pull this plastic off. We're going to go ahead and add our compost and our manures to the soil, and we're going to do one more rototilling of the soil, and then we can go ahead and plant our garden. We'll probably go ahead, it's always good to do your seeds first. We're going to put green beans in here and irrigate it so the beans come up. Once the beans are up, then we can do our little transplants of our tomatoes and peppers in this field, and they'll be all on the same watering schedule. So solarization is the way to go. Anytime you're not using your garden area, to go ahead and cover it up and let it cook a little bit and pull it off when you're ready to plant. It gives you a great start. So think about using solarization in your garden. It's a great technique. We usually use like a 4 mil plastic. You can use thicker or thinner gauge plastic if necessary, but it's a great way to do your garden. Thanks folks. Jim Hunter with your short and sweet tip of the day.